Hello everyone, I'm Laura. Today I'm going to show you how to make this rocket ship. It's a project that's free on my website, and it's one of the easiest and quickest to put together that I've made so far. In no time, you'll be blasting off into space. Start by visiting my website at fanfrombylaura.com. Click on the Downloads button, and then you'll find a whole bunch of pictures of the free projects I have available. Find the rocket ship, download it to your computer, print it on paper or maybe a heavier paper like cardstock, and then grab something to color with, scissors, and some glue, and we'll get started. This is not based on any official or scientific spacecraft, so you can color this rocket however you want to. I gave you some things to start with. There are star stripes, and then this is a porthole, so if there were anything inside of your rocket that they could look out. So I'm coloring my stars. I've already colored my stripes. I also left the third side of the rocket over here blank so that you can put whatever you would like to on that. You might want to write your country or the area that you live in, so maybe you want to put a big old USA or UK or EU on there, wherever else you're from. Or maybe you want to put what your rocket ship is going to, so I was thinking maybe mine would be Project Mars. And then these fins will go at the bottom of your rocket. You may want to color both sides of them. So after we cut them out, we'll go back and color the other side. You could put stars or moons on here. Color stripes or solid colors like I'm doing. And you notice I'm not worried about coloring in the lines because I'm going to cut it out anyways. Cut around the edges of each of the pieces by cutting on the black dashed lines. As I said earlier, you may want to color the back side of the fin as well. So I'm just going to set it down over here and make it blue. Now we fold backward on each of the gray dotted lines. Start by gluing a fin onto each of the glue tabs on the rocket. Line up the fold of the fin with the fold of the rocket and the bottom. And then we'll start gluing the sides of the rocket to each other. Make sure you line up these edges and the bottom. Now I'm going to work on the pointed part. kind of folding it a little to press it together, but it won't stay that way. There we go. There's the rocket. Just adjust your fins so they're sticking out how you want them to, and you're ready to take off.